add your dark chocolate together with butter, and we're going to melt this in a microwave for 30 seconds until it's nice and soft. In a different bowl, add your eggs and whisk them together. Then add sugar and whisk everything until it's nice and smooth. And then add your cool chocolate. Make sure it's not hot so you don't cook your eggs. Just whisk everything together until it becomes nice and glossy, just like that. Then add your sifted flour and mix everything again. Just gently, do not overmix the mixture. You want to make sure that it's all incorporated but it's still quite runny. Add a shot of Baileys inside your mixture and mix it all together. This will add the flavor and the creaminess to your chocolate. Then mix everything together and you will see it's nice and glossy. Next, take your ramekins and spray with some cooking oil around, and then we're going to add some cocoa powder and sprinkle it inside so that the cakes do not stick to the ramekin. Scoop about 1 large tablespoon of the mixture. Then add 1 teaspoon of your chocolate ganache or chocolate spread, whatever you have in your kitchen, and top it up with more chocolate on top. We're going to bake these for about 8 to 12 minutes depending on your oven and the temperature you use, and until they're kind of nice and wobbly in the middle and firm around. Next, we're going to make our Baileys cream, so add your double cream or heavy cream into a bowl and then add Baileys. You can add as little or as much as you want. And then we're going to add some icing sugar and we're going to whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. You can use your hand or you can use a whisk electronic blender. It's much faster like this. Now take your cakes really gently out of the oven and place them onto your decorative plate. Sprinkle some icing sugar on top and then add your Baileys whipped cream on top as well. Now you want to eat this quite quickly as it's going to melt. I'm just adding some crushed cookies on top and just adding more crushed cookies inside. Some fresh mint. And when you cut inside the lava cake, you will see the chocolate oozes out and it's really delicious. Really chocolatey flavor with Baileys cream and the Baileys chocolate cake inside. It's really for those who love Baileys, I guess, and chocolate together. Really